All right, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I said good morning. Wow, that is absolutely amazing. So, my name is Sanjay Potdar. On behalf of Team Entraine, I'd like to welcome each and every one of you for Smart Manufacturing Summit 2020. Ask you this: the beautiful moment is we are together. We are in a physical, real event after the tough times. Isn't this amazing? You're shaking hands with each other. We are seeing each other, we are talking to each other, we are sitting together in large numbers after almost 2.5 years. And let's talk about now Smart Manufacturing Summit. You know, these days, everything is getting smart. It started with mobile phones. Now we have everything in our pocket, we can do anything. Look at the TVs. TVs are getting smart, right? The watch you're wearing is getting smart. Everything is getting smart except humans. We are also smart? I really appreciate this. I was waiting for this answer. Because humans are the ones who have created everything, right? Wow, this is stunning, sir. Thank you for keeping this short, crisp and within time. Thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, what an opening for SMS. I hope you are enjoying. Now, can I request Emcee from Akribia, Mr. Raghu Kalindindi, to please be on stage and do the felicitation, please. We have a token of appreciation for you, sir. Dr. S. Kalirajan. Let's clap for the gentleman. You had visited all the booths and a small conversation with the booth representative. That is very, very important because they are here to demonstrate the product. You should see what's happening, what they have latest in the pocket and what's happening in Smart Manufacturing Summit. Welcome back, everyone. Let's start the action now. How I can initiate the discussion. It happens, it's human nature. So what we have done is, we've got a wonderful solution. Imagine each one of you get a chance to exchange a card with each other. Amazing session, this is amazing. I give you an opportunity of 3 minutes, ladies and gentlemen. Any questions? Let's make this session more interactive. Any questions? Hey gentlemen, it's a humble request. You can open your LinkedIn and please subscribe Entraine Business so that you'll stay updated to what's happening in the world. We have such amazing events coming up. We have couple of more products like Smart Manufacturing Summit. Let me ask you this: are you enjoying this session since morning?
Yes. Yes.
All of you, yes. What happened? Are you enjoying?
Yes.
Super. The most important thing is you should take some knowledge from here. I can see people having notepads. They're scribbling the pencils on there. This is very important. Make a notes, digital notes, whatever it is. But when you write down, trust me, your senses working here, they're connected here. So that's why people, this digital world, we have only using habit of thumb. But my personal suggestion, always write down. When you scribble, the senses passes the message to your mind. That's very important.